Good morning worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, to all people that we are belong in the different nationalities and living in the different countries, nationwide, worldwide, and universe. Thank you, YouTube channel. Thank you that you are giving me time and chance that I can enter in a small channel, that what I have, that I am the beginner. Thank you so much for the founder of the YouTube, the staff and the workers that you are giving me support and giving me chance, and to the some blogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning, that when I have one subscriber, one viewers, one supporters, until now, that what I have in my new and beginner and small channel that I have. Thank you so much talaga, and God knows that who you are and whatever you are, that He is the one to give you all the support and needs in your daily needs, in our blessings that you have that from God. Thank you so much talaga. And to my non-subscribers, non-viewers and viewers, supporters and not supporters, thank you very much talaga, that you are still giving me chance and giving time to watch and to support in my channel. To all people that you have in the social media or not social media, thank you, and God giving everything whatever we need, and including na that one of my old families outside of my parents in my hometown, mga barangays, mga sitio there, and thanks God we are finished already to celebrate the fellowship, the alumni, and the fiesta in the different countries that they have in the Christian community. Thank you, and all that they have also celebrating until now in this month for their birthday. Thank you so much for them, and congratulations again for my nieces that I have, the younger brother, the late younger brother, and my remaining brother next to me. Congratulations both of you, my sister-in-laws and my brother one, and my nieces, and my mga apo-apo, and my mga cousins and relatives, and mga friends, family friends, and everything. As of what I'm telling you, both side of my mother, my father, and my hometown, thank you so much for the support, and until now, you are still giving me a time also to watch, and that you are belong in the social media, and to my madam, and to my employee, to my sir, and to Sisi, and to the coming soon, to become a more family member of this both side family of my madam and sir, and they are that of my employer. Thank you for the support. Thank you for giving me blessings that you have to share with me. Thank you so much with your friends, all people here in Baghdad. Thank you so much also. And as of what I'm telling, I cannot mention I cannot pronounce better, and each of us, I'm just making generalize that all of us, that we are people, including me. Okay, so thank you so much talaga, and God bless us all. Happy Sunday. Not Sunday pa pala, no? Happy Saturday pa pala today. Happy Saturday to all of us, wherever you are, whatever